welcome back to the channel where we mix up not only refreshing juices but also good vibes. Today we are diving into something that will help your body feel its best: anti-inflammation juices. Whether you've had a long week, been working out hard, or just to keep your body in tip-top shape, these juices are your go-to. I've got 5 amazing recipes that are not only delicious but also packed with ingredients which are scientifically proven to reduce inflammation. Just stick with me and your body will thank you. We are talking fruits, veggies, and spices that are like little superheroes for your body, ready to fight off inflammation and keep you looking awesome. So grab your juicer, relax with some calming sounds in the background, and let's get into it. Each juice has a special role in boosting your health, and I'll walk you through it all step by step. First up, we have the turmeric ginger glow. Turmeric and ginger are like the dynamic duo of anti-inflammatory foods. They've been used for centuries in traditional medicine for their powerful health benefits. It's all because of the super compound called curcumin in turmeric and gingerol in ginger. Both of these help reduce inflammation at the molecular level. So we'll start by juicing the ginger and the turmeric. First we'll peel the ginger and the turmeric, or you can leave the peel on. For this juice, I'll be leaving the peel on. Next up, we'll be adding some carrot. Carrots are loaded with beta-carotene, which are another anti-inflammatory agent, and beta-carotene is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your cells from damage. It's great for your skin, your eyes, and of course for keeping inflammation in check. So after peeling the carrots, cleaning it, and cut it into smaller pieces, we will add it to our juicer with the turmeric and the ginger and let that juice. Look at that vibrant color. Now let's add in some orange for that sweet tangy flavor. Oranges are packed with vitamin C, which not only boosts your immune system but also helps reduce inflammation. Vitamin C acts like a shield for your cells, hence keeping them safe from damage and also helping to reduce inflammation. Inflammation is basically your body's way of dealing with stress, injuries, or even unhealthy foods. Too much inflammation can lead to chronic health problems, but these juices of adding turmeric and ginger can help control that inflammation and ease those aches and pains. So for this recipe, we're using 3 oranges. Once we peel the orange, cut them up and add them to our juicer. And we also use an inch of turmeric root, an inch of ginger root, and 2 carrots. Once all the ingredients have been juiced, pour that golden goodness into your glass. And top it off with a dash of black pepper to activate the turmeric. One secret is that curcumin is better absorbed when paired with black pepper. That's why I'm adding black pepper to this juice. Tastes spicy, tangy, and refreshing. Next, we are cooling things down with the pineapple cucumber Coola. This juice is light, refreshing, and perfect. Pineapple has bromelain, which makes pineapple so special when it comes to fighting inflammation. It helps break down proteins, making it easier for your body to digest food and reducing inflammation in your digestive tract. So if you've ever had a bloated belly after eating, pineapple can help ease that discomfort. Let's juice some pineapple first. For this recipe, we are using half pineapple. So we'll cut the pineapple and chop it into little chunks. One fun fact is that bromelain is more concentrated in the core of the pineapple. So Don't throw it away. It might be a bit tough to chew, but it's perfect for juicing. So after preparing the pineapple, we will add that into our juicer. Once it's added, we close that juicer and start the juicing. We juice the pineapple and we'll set that aside for the next ingredient for this recipe. Next up, we are adding cucumber. Cucumber is super hydrating, about 95% water, and it's great for flushing out toxins. Plus, it contains antioxidants like flavonoids that reduce inflammation. To balance the juice out, we'll be adding a squeeze of lime. So for this recipe, I'm using 1 lime. We'll peel that as well and wash it. And also, we'll be adding mint to the recipe. Mint is not only refreshing but also contains rosmarinic acid, which has anti-inflammatory properties, and plus it gives the juice a fresh, cooling taste. Once all our ingredients have juiced, we'll pour that in a glass, give it a good stir to mix up all the ingredients. Then you've got a super refreshing juice that cools, hydrates, and fights inflammation from the inside out. This is so good. And I like the fact that we added lime for a vitamin C boost. It's now time for our green anti-inflammation power juice. This juice is packed with greens. Let's start with celery. Celery is not just full of water, but it also contains anti-inflammatory compounds like apigemin, which has been shown to reduce the production of inflammatory cytokines in the body. So we'll juice the celery first. The fresh, crisp flavor of celery makes it a great base for this juice. Next, we've got cucumber again. As I mentioned earlier, cucumber is full of water and antioxidants, making it perfect for flushing out toxins and calming inflammation. So for this recipe, we use 1 stalk of celery and 1 cucumber. After cutting that, we'll juice that first. Now let's add some spinach. Spinach is rich in antioxidants like flavonoids and carotenoids, which help protect your cells from inflammation. Spinach also contains magnesium, a mineral that plays a key role in regulating inflammation in the body. Juice that spinach and it adds a beautiful green color and a lot of nutrition to the juice. Next up is green apple. Apples contain quercetin, a powerful antioxidant that helps reduce inflammation and support a healthy gut. And also we'll be adding a little bit of ginger for that spicy kick and extra anti-inflammatory power. Ginger, as we know, contains gingerol, which helps reduce muscle soreness and inflammation. Pour that in a glass. Stir the juice to mix the ingredients together. Pour it in your favorite glass and get ready for a nutrient-packed inflammation-fighting juice that will leave you feeling energized and refreshed. This is so good and is so packed with nutrients that fuel your body. Now let's get into something vibrant and sweet. Beetroot berry bliss. This juice is great for improving circulation and reducing inflammation, especially after a workout. Beetroot is our main star here. Beets are rich in nitrates, which your body converts into nitric oxide. This helps improve blood flow and reduce inflammation, especially in your muscles and joints. So if you're feeling sore after a workout, this juice is your new best friend. Look at that deep, rich color. Now we'll add half a cup of blueberries. Blueberries are loaded with antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which help reduce inflammation and protect your cells from damage. Next, we are adding some strawberries, a cup of strawberries. Like blueberries, strawberries are also packed with antioxidants and vitamin C, which reduce inflammation and boost your immune system. And we are also adding some lime for that bright citrusy flavor and a boost of vitamin C. Once all our ingredients have juiced, we'll pour that in a glass, stir that up. And this juice is loaded with antioxidants, vitamins, and nitrates that help open up your blood vessels and also reduce inflammation. Cheers to good health. Last but definitely not the least, we've got the spicy citrus anti-inflammation zinc. This one is for all the citrus lovers out there, with a bit of heat from cayenne pepper. For this juice, we are starting with 1 grapefruit and 1 orange, which are all packed with vitamin C. As we've mentioned before, vitamin C is like your body's natural defense system, helping to reduce inflammation and protect your immune system. Plus, both citrus fruits are loaded with flavonoids, which have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. So we'll cut them up into smaller pieces, and we'll also add an inch of ginger, which will boost the anti-inflammatory properties from ginger to the juice. Now we'll combine all the ingredients, both the grapefruit and the orange, into the juicer, and we will start our juicing. The zesty, bright flavor of these fruits is so refreshing, and it's perfect for keeping inflammation at bay. Now let's add in our ginger to the juice, and we continue the juicing. Once all the ingredients have juiced, we'll pour that in a glass and add in a pinch of cayenne pepper. Cayenne contains capsaicin, which has been shown to reduce pain and inflammation, particularly in joints. Stir everything up, make sure it mixes well. Once it's been stirred up, we'll pour that in a glass and have our juice. Also, for these juices, I always make sure I try to get organic products. It has a spicy, zesty juice that's perfect for reducing inflammation and giving your body a zinc that it needs. And there you have it, everyone. 5 amazing anti-inflammation juices that not only taste incredible but also work wonders for your body. These juices are packed with powerful ingredients that help reduce inflammation, boost your immune system, and keep you feeling energized and healthy. Whether you're sipping on the turmeric ginger glow for sore muscles or the beetroot berry bliss for recovery, there's a juice here for every need. Let me know in the comments which juice you are excited to try first, and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious healthy recipes. Until next time, keep sipping, keep glowing, and take care of your body. It's the only one you've got. Bye.